Welcome back. I'm Jennifer Lee, Lead Admin Evangelist at Salesforce, and we reached the final stop in our journey through Setup with Agentforce. And we're closing with the foundation of every great app, object creation. To show us how we're moving from manual schema building to AI-powered architecture, I'm handing it over to Product Manager Gonzalo Gambino. Gonzalo, take it away.
Hi, everyone. As admins, we're often asked to build new tracking processes on the fly. Usually that means a long afternoon or a marathon of clicks in Object Manager. But today, I'm going to show you how Agentforce helps us move from a business idea to live data model using just natural language. We'll start in Setup with Agentforce, and I'll type in my business request. So you can see here, I'm saying I need to build a way to track maintenance logs for our company's heavy machinery. We need to track the date of service, cost, the technician's notes, and which machine it's related to. So I'm going to head and submit this. You can notice I wasn't defining any specific field types or referencing anything by API names. I'm strictly just stating the business need. And as I'm doing this, right, Agentforce is thinking through, and it's generating a proposed data model. And if we look at the result here, we not only see a nice UI rendition that shows us the object along with all the fields, but we also see natural language reasoning explaining why it proposed what it did propose. So you can see here it's proposing one new object with 4 fields, and it's a new maintenance log object. You can see it's new. You can see its API name, the description, and again, it has all the fields that I requested. And another cool thing here, right? I never mentioned asset at all, but it was able to obviously understand that asset is a standard object, and it's the one I'm using to track my different types of heavy machinery. So it was able to recommend creating that lookup and reference to asset. What's also cool here is I can expand this view and see everything in more detail. This is especially relevant when you're dealing with multiple objects. I think the other awesome call out here is with the help of Agentforce, I'm doing proper metadata hygiene, and you can see it's helping me with adding descriptions and help text. These are both useful for our end users, and it's also very helpful context for AI and Agentforce moving forward as we want to make more and more changes. The other cool thing is this isn't just one shot. I can actually go back and forth and interact with Agentforce here, as is many times the case, right? I won't start with maybe the full requirement up front. So I can see here, I like what I see, but there's a couple things missing. So I follow up with a request of, hey, this looks great, but let's also add a maintenance status pick list. I need to know the status of each maintenance log and request. Oh, and then I also forgot we need a way to categorize our assets by the following types that you see here. I'm going to head and submit this. And as we're doing this, right, it's keeping the existing context. It knows the already proposed data model. It's using that, and then it's just building off on top of that as well. You can see it came back with a response. And now you can see that it has added the new pick list for the maintenance status with the values I requested. We now see a separate box here for the asset object, right? And it's referencing that object, and it added a new field for the type. What's also cool here for anything existing that's being reused, I can actually click in, and then it takes me straight to Object Manager, so I can see more details about the object asset for here, for example, and I can see all the fields. I can just make sure it's validating what I want to be reused. So at this point, if I'm happy with my request, I can come back in here and I can hit confirm. Confirm here, right? The human's always in the loop. You're going to be the one who makes the final approval. And at this point, it's really just going through creating all the objects and fields. So something that would have taken me many clicks and going through different pages was able to do it within seconds. And then I'm even notified here as some follow-up steps to go add permissioning, tabs and layouts, any UI enhancements that I'd want to do. Overall, if we look in less than 3 minutes, we've been able to architect and deploy a full data model that meets my business requirements. And that's object creation using Setup with Agentforce. Setup with Agentforce is all about time to value and keeping us in the flow of work.
What a great demo, Gonzalo. You took us from a simple conversation to a fully deployed relational data model in just under 3 minutes. All right, that's a wrap on our series. And we've seen how Setup with Agentforce transforms the way that we work, moving us from manual builders to strategic admins. By handling the heavy lifting of flows, formulas, user access troubleshooting, and object creation, Setup with Agentforce keeps us in the flow of work and accelerates our time to value like never before. Thanks for joining me on this journey. Now go out there and show your org what an AI-powered admin can do. I'm Jennifer Lee. Happy building.